Hi, this is Alicia from workersonboard.com. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you about some solid companies that you can apply to with good hourly pay. It comes with some perks and benefits, as well as how you can make a certain amount of money, cash, every month guaranteed with very minimal effort, and some other updates. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Now, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any work at home news. Now, quickly, I want to tell you about the super sale on InstaGC. If you haven't joined InstaGC, do so now. Click on the link below this video. This site has a super sale on their gift cards. So I went there and I saw a gift card that was $20 and it would only cost me 500 points. They don't have a lot of those available. They're running out, but you may have time to take advantage of those super sale gift cards, especially if you join as soon as you can. Now, you only need to be 13. They are open in the US and other countries, and here you can earn to, watch videos, download apps, answer questions, make phone calls, lots of different ways here. And I like it because you don't have to wait for a gift card. You can get them instantly. So as soon as you click redeem, you will be able to get that gift card and buy whatever you want online. So I like that. Now, you only have 4 days to enter to win the $100 Visa gift card from Ebates. Now, if you're already a member and have been a member of Ebates for quite some time, you can still enter this contest. If you're not a member, you can enter too. Either way. Now, it's free. There's no obligation. There's 4 different ways to enter. So you have until next Tuesday to enter. And make sure you tell your friends and family because this opportunity doesn't come around a lot. They are giving away $100 to someone, and it may be you. So make sure you enter the contest. Ebates is a site that will give you cash back to shop online as well as at stores where you live too. Also, the link is right below this video to enter the contest, the giveaway. Also, wanted to tell you too, Fetch Rewards, I talked about it before, but they are giving away 1,000,000 points to one of their members. This is so cool. And you have a chance to win that. So 1,000,000 points is $1,000. Then the first place winner will win 500,000 points, which is $500. Second place, 250,000 points, $250. Third place, 50,000 points, $50. And the 1,000,000 points is for a perfect bracket. So here you have to predict what shoppers will be buying and fill out that bracket through the app. And the one who fills out a bracket perfectly will win the million points. So make sure you download and install that app for free and enter this code when you do it. Capital G as in good, number 4, capital H as in house, capital B as in boy, capital H as in house to get 2,000 points. Plus, you will get points every time you scan a receipt from any store. Plus, have a chance to play the game and win up to 1,000,000 points. Quickly, wanted to tell you about Beta Bound. They need panel testers to evaluate products from companies like Logitech, Hewlett Packard, T-Mobile, and others. And they will pay you for every product that you evaluate. So sometimes it may require you to evaluate something on your smartphone or to give your feedback about a certain product or item. And they either pay you a one-time payment or, depending upon the project, you could get paid every month. So what you have to do is make sure you join and then apply to each test. And then once you're approved, then you can follow the steps, and then once you complete that test, then you'll be paid. The link is right below this video. If you're looking for an entry-level job, go to iSoftStone. The reason why I say that is because there's no background check required, or resume. You won't be on the phone, and it only takes 5 to 10 minutes to apply in 4 easy steps. Right now in the US, they're currently hiring online ad evaluators and English transcribers to work from home. They pay around $13 an hour. Now, if you live outside of the United States, you can just go and check to see what openings they have in your country and apply then. And if they don't have anything, don't be discouraged. You can just go back periodically and check to see if they have any new openings, and they do throughout the year. So just check back periodically, and then if they have something in your country, make sure you apply online. So American Express has 2 openings. They are currently hiring virtual customer service reps and customer care professionals to work from home. This is a solid company that you would want to apply to with longevity. Some people stay there 4 years and longer. Once they get hired, they normally stick with this company because they have good benefits as well as pay. They start off paying at a range from $16 up to $18 an hour. First position says you're going to work part-time up to 20 hours a week, possibly more, just depends on their needs. So if you were to work 20 hours a week, you would take home either your take-home pay would be $320 up to $360 a week, depending upon what hourly rate you were hired in at. For the first position, what you're going to be doing is you're going to assist card members with any kind of questions that they may have regarding their account, or you may update their information in their account and other duties related to that nature. They do say they want you to have 2 years customer service or sales experience, and you will need internet connection and a dedicated separate landline phone. Now, if you don't already have one in your home, don't go out and purchase anything yet until you're offered a position. If you are offered a position, you can just click on the link below this video if you need to get a landline phone. And American Express is actually going to reimburse you for any costs that are incurred upon you. So it says that they are going to give you a one-time reimbursement for up to $100, and then they're going to give you a monthly allowance on the first paycheck of each month to help cover the cost of these services. So that's a great perk. They do hire in 49 states. So, excuse me. If you're interested in working from home for American Express, make sure you apply online as soon as you can. Now, there's a company called Globin. It's a subscription box service where they send you boxes, and people and consumers buy something from them delivered to their home on a month-to-month basis, and they pay a certain fee for that. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. They're hiring email agents to provide support to customers through email or their social media platform. That pays $12 an hour with an immediate start date. This is a temporary position that can lead to a permanent position. You have to live in the United States, and they're looking for people who are friendly too. So if you're interested in that, make sure you click on the link below this video. Nordstrom, they're also hiring remote workers to field real-time calls, emails, and live chats from customers to help process orders or to enter data into the system, track packages. It says that they prefer that you have 6 months experience, but it's not a requirement. So if you don't, that doesn't mean that you won't get the job, so still apply. Also, it says here that you need excellent phone and communication skills and be computer savvy. This is a full-time position, and according to Glassdoor.com, says that they pay $15 up to $17 an hour. Now, there are other work at home jobs from PNC Bank, Windy City Call Center, and Wayfair, and many more listed on my official website, and I'll leave the link to that right below this video. So if you want to make money every month, guaranteed cash every single month without doing anything, I'll give you at least 3 sites you can try. First one is Smart Panel. They need people to join their platform now and install their app. So just for qualifying, the Smart Panel is going to give you $5. And then if you keep that app installed for a month, you'll get an additional $5, which is $10 the first month. In a year's time, as long as you keep the app installed, excuse me, you'll get $100. After 2 years, $200. And all you have to do is just keep the app installed. So, and download it. That's all you have to do. Really easy way to guarantee that you're going to make $100 a year. Savvy Connect will also pay you $5 per month per device that you keep their app installed. So if you put it on your computer, your smartphone, your tablet, that's $15 a month, $180 a year. Plus, if you complete any surveys, then you'll get additional money as well. So they're open in the US and the UK. Make sure you download and install Savvy Connect. The link will be below this video. The Nielsen mobile and computer panel, you will earn rewards for using the internet, and you'll get to get cash sweepstakes that you can enter and win as well. So they reward you too, and it's all you have to do is just install their application. So if this is something that you're interested in doing, make sure you join these sites. And thank you guys so much for being patient with me. Hope you had a chance to watch the last video I made about starting your own blog or website, and then some of you all had talked to me about the struggles and challenges that you faced with being able to do that. And so hopefully that video tutorial gave you the knowledge and the tools so that you can execute your goals and start your own blog or website. Now, there are more companies hiring that are on my Facebook group at Workers on Board Community. Don't forget to join that group and the other Facebook groups that I have. I'll have those listed below this video. If you have any questions about anything or blogging and you need to contact me directly, you can do so at Alicia, ALICIA, at workersonboard.com, or you can join my Facebook group and then ask me a question and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Or you could just ask a question to the members and just put it on the Facebook group and you will definitely get feedback. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to go to my official website for even more work at home companies. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so, and make sure you check out for my next video.